Mid-November, mid to late November, we are at the Midget, Angry Midget in Squamish. We're gonna give her a go. As you can see, behind Will and me, there is a lot of snow. It's pretty cold. It's what, 2 degrees, Will? Might be colder up here after my walk climb. But I have some different camera settings, so we're gonna see if this turns out. I have dropped the shutter rate 24, up the ISO, and didn't do boost on the hyper smooth. I just turned it on because that'll hopefully let more light in. It won't have to fight the hyper smooth so much. Blah, blah, Let's go get some blah blah blah. Is that too much? Sorry guys.
Start it up.
This might be a only music lap. It looks super dark in there. I don't think the footage is gonna turn out at all, but if it does, our brakes are so loud right now that it might just be shut off the sound and play music. We'll see if they warm up. MTX, you're not supposed to make noise. Let's see. Give her, buddy. And Will, it's been a few years, eh? Yeah. Like, this is Angry Midget. Oh my God. This is not, I don't have any brakes. Yeah, it's really dark in here. We'll see. My MTXs have shut up. I gotta tell ya. When they work. Woo! Oh! Oh my God! Did it go a little slower for a sec? No, I just want to wipe the lens.
Oh yeah.
When we get a sec here. Oh! My butt is so wet. Where do we go?
What's that? Is that big enough?
Yeah, I was gonna say, this doesn't look very ridden. Can we get back in there? Yeah? Okay. Oh! That was amazing! I love the Will back end. It's sideways more than it's straight, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, I'm sure mine kicks out too, but I just don't see it. I'm trying to be close to you and still see the roots. It's like, ah! Oh! Oh my God.
God, my brakes finally shut up.
Yeah, just had to heat them to boiling point. Oh man, that's fun though.
Oh, this is scary.
Icy bridge.
No brakes.
God no. Oh! Yeah. Into a rooty stump.
Pushing me into that. Ah, no.
What's that thing? What is it?
Drone.
Oh, okay. I'm like, I'm going kind of slow, but I should be able to pop.
Yeah. Ah, good.
Oh, why didn't you do that log?
Oh, God, another one. Okay.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, God. What's that?
Oh, yeah. I didn't see it till too late. Here's our rock, I think. All right, buddy. No, that was good. High five. Oh, and he goes down. We're done. Slip, slidey, slow as Angry Midget shred. It was amazing though, super fun. It's really cold, but just sneaking out end of like late November right now. So I don't know. Well, I'll try and talk Will into maybe one more day if we can get down here.
I don't know.
The mountain opens in a week too though, so we'll be on to snowboard videos, and this will probably be the last one. We're going to look at trucks for me now. Todd needs some new wheels. See ya on the snow.